Most of the time organization gives us a task to import their master files or their excel or csv files into our database to perform some operations on those data through some application, or sometimes our vendor gives their master data file to import the same into the database to perform the same operation in to make it reflect on our site. And if there are more than thousand, ten thousands of records we need to import into the database, it will be the difficult task manually to import each and every row into the database. So in this session, we will check how we can import the CSV file into our database. Hi guys, my name is Hemant Panchal. In this session, we will talk about importing the CSV file data into our PostgreSQL. So this is my PgAdmin application. I already connected to my server. Here I have PostgreSQL database. In the database, okay, I have a schema, public schema. In the public schema, I have one table. Okay, I will create one CSV file with the data, and I will import the same file into my PostgreSQL database. So I have a one file created, that is employee data.csv file. In this file, we have employee name, employee ID, and a grade information. We will import this data into a PostgreSQL database. To perform that, first we will create the new table. We need to create a schema of this table, okay, and the sequence should be maintained as same as whatever is available in the CSV file, okay. So first we have employee name, employee ID, and grade. Here we have employee information. I can give a table name employee information. I'll add a column employee name, character varying, employee ID, character varying, and here we have grade and same character varying. I'll say save. Okay, so new table is created in the query tool. Let's verify the data. Select star from public employee information. Table is empty. Now let's import the data into this table using the query. We have copy public, specify a table name where you want to import. I have employee information. From, you can specify path here. File name was employee data.csv, and delimiter is comma. File format is CSV, and header. Now let's execute this query. Yes, query is executed successfully. Now let's verify. In the table, we have already written the select query. Yes, I could see data is imported into the table. Sequence is maintained in this format because we have created a column in this sequence only, whatever is available in the CSV file. Now let's check by changing the sequence. Let me change this sequence. I have saved my file. Let me import again. Okay, data is imported again. If I fire the select query, data is exchanged between these two columns because sequence was not in the correct line. That is why this is mismatch is showing. Let me truncate this table. I will clean this table. Okay, select statement, no data. Now suppose I want to import the same data using the text file. Okay, so let's create a text file of this CSV file. I have already created a text file from this CSV file. Okay, and now we will import this data again into the database using the same copy query. Here only we need to change the file name, that is a txt file. Now new file name is employee data.txt. I'll fire the same command. Okay, data query is executed successfully. Now let's verify the data into the database. Wow, this is perfect. Data is imported in the table and sequence is also maintained because I have created the sequence in the CSV file format. So this is how you can import your huge amount of CSV data into the PostgreSQL database. We have also performed this activity using the import export wizard from here. Okay, we have also used this import wizard, so you can use this wizard also. At the top of this video you can see the link from where you can view how you can import the data using this wizard. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video to your friends who is looking out to learn PostgreSQL. Okay. Also, there are some other technology videos uploaded in my channel. Please go through those videos. Those are very helpful videos for your career. So don't miss these videos.